Hello, everyone. This is Kevin Richards of chairmanquest.com, and I'm here to give you an overview of foreign exchange trading and the residual income opportunities that exist in this wonderful market that is taking the world by storm. Now, we ask ourselves, what exactly is Forex trading? Foreign exchange trading is the buying and selling of currencies worldwide to facilitate commerce and trade. The strength of a currency in a country is a reflection of the strength of its economy. And all countries of the world participate in foreign exchange trading, which is governed by their central bank, who act as the watchdog for each country. Now, for example, there are several countries that are very active: the United States, Great Britain, Euro, etc. And the currencies are paired in a format as shown below. Like, for example, US to JPY, that's US dollar to Japanese yen, GBP, which is the Great British Pound, to the US dollar, the Euro to the US, the Canadian dollar to the Japanese yen, US to the Japanese yen, etc. And this is how it looks whenever you're trading. You will be utilizing different instruments, and they'll be in the format as we see here at the bottom of the screen. So next we ask ourselves, what time is trading done? So there are three main sessions that foreign exchange trading is conducted. The London session, the New York session, and the Japanese session. Now, these are all central times, and London starts about 3 a.m. in the morning, and it ends about 5 to 6 a.m. thereabout. New York starts about 7 a.m. and it ends about 11 thereabout. The Japanese session starts in the night, 7 p.m. to 11. And this market runs from Sunday evening. It opens at around 5 p.m. on Sundays, and it runs 5 days a week. So it ends and it closes about Friday evening about 4 p.m. thereabout. So we usually have Mondays to Fridays, full days of trading. All right. Now, what's the best time to trade? Well, this question really boils down to the currency pair that you're trading and the strategies that you're using. Every currency pair is managed and monitored by a different central bank or time zone. So, for example, the GBP pairs have a vested interest. The United Kingdom have a vested interest in the GBP pair. So you find that they will operate and trade more heavily in the UK sessions. I find that gold trades heavily in New York and in Asia. Bitcoin trades heavily in Asia and New York. So it really boils down to the currency pair that you're trading. One of the greatest recommendations is that you take time out to study the pair and learn about the fundamentals which are driving this pair, because, for example, oil is governed by a body called OPEC, and they are the watchdogs. They make the decisions with regards to oil prices, and OPEC consists of like the major oil producing countries like Saudi Arabia, Canada, Venezuela, etc. And these countries have a strong vested interest in oil. So whenever there's a high demand, they adjust the prices according to supply and demand. All right. So in trading, there are two key things that we have to understand to become successful. One is the fundamental analysis, and this is basically the study of the data which drives the markets. So on a weekly basis, there are different reports and news data that comes out which influences the direction of the markets. Good news can create optimism, which would be good for the dollar and cause the dollar to rise positively. And bad news, like for example, the decline in the job rates because of the impact of COVID, or whenever there's war, or if there's a economic crisis like the subprime mortgage housing crash, that kind of thing that can impact the market negatively. So you have to keep abreast of the news to see what's driving the trend of the currencies. Technical analysis has to do with um, decision candles, market structure, chart patterns, utilizing key tools like um, the moving averages, trend lines, stochastics, and also price action. These are things that we will go into more details whenever you partner with us at Epic Trading, and we will show you in great detail how to determine your perfect entries and exit into the market. All right, so we have a tool that we utilize to view the weekly data, which helps us to get a picture of what the upcoming week looks like. This tool is called forexfactory.com. And this chart gives us a breakdown of the economic reports on a weekly basis. For example, we see here the items highlighted in red are the high impact news. The USA jobs report. It usually comes out on the first Friday at the start of each month. And there are other key data that we would monitor to see how the market will be affected. The orange represents medium impact. Those are also good to look at. The yellow, low impact news, which would have minimal effect on the market. So the job number is a report which gives you an idea of how the jobs market is performing in the United States, how many new jobs have been created, how many persons have been laid off, the average hourly earnings, and also the unemployment rate. So these are key factors, key metrics that the markets use to determine how well the economy is performing, and that will give investors insights as to whether they should put more money on the US dollars or the currency in question. All right, so in order to get active in trading, we have to basically sign up with a broker. A broker is like an online bank, which enables us to upload funds, and then we would be able to actively participate in buying and selling currencies through the platform. Some brokers use an embedded application that you download on your mobile phone. It's called MT4, and you enter your credential to log in, and then you would be able to get price quotations where you can place your buy and sell entries on MT4. So three of the brokers that I have used and would recommend are Traders Way, Hugo's Way, and eToro. There are many more brokers out there. It's best for you to do your research. And depending on what country you're from, there are some brokers which do not accept US citizens. So you gotta look for Traders and Hugo. Those two will accept US citizens. eToro, I don't think so, but there are many brokers out there. But I would implore you to do your research and your due diligence, because some brokers may not necessarily be credible and legitimate. So they can run off with your money if you don't do your research to ensure that the broker is highly reputable, and read your reviews on the performance of the brokers and understand what spreads are available. Spreads meaning how much the broker earns off of you per trade. There are some that will charge more than others, so you want to ensure that you get a reasonable spread, and also you want to ensure that you um, sign up with a broker which is called an ECN, one which does not trade against your positions to stop you out of a trade. All right, so another important thing in order to get actively participating in the Forex market is to have a charting software. Two of the most recommended chart software are from TradingView and from NetData Charts. The URLs are given in this preview. So my favorite has been NetData. It allows me to see price action in real time. TradingView is also very good, and they have a wide variety of tools for you to use to improve your trading experience. It enables you to draw trend lines and horizontal freehand lines to mark up your charts and so forth. Bollinger Bands, there's also MACD, moving averages, etc. Very powerful tools for you to sharpen your trading skills. So this is an example of what a chart looks like. This is actually a screenshot from the NetData charts, and we're looking at the euro to US dollar. And on the right, we can see price, and the markets basically go up and down whenever the market is doing an up move or bullish move. That's when we are experiencing buying of the euro, and in coming down, we're actually experiencing the selling of the euro and the purchasing of US dollar. So you can make money both ways. You can make money by buying low and selling high, and also you can make money by shorting the market or putting a sell position at the top and exiting when it goes to a low, and you'll make money both ways. So the best time frames to use, most highly recommended, are like the larger time frames, the daily, the 4-hour, and the weekly, to get an idea of the price action and possible turning points to get a perfect entry to buy and to sell, etc. So we look at the past to see where price bottomed out, and usually when it comes back to close to proximity to that area and give a rejection, then that would be a signal to start buying again. So as a new trader, you will need to learn how to do proper risk management. In foreign exchange trading best practices, it's recommended that you use a very small percentage of your account to trade. So, for example, if you have $100, it is best for you to use a small amount, like equivalent to $10 or less. You don't want to overexpose yourself because the market can get volatile, and this will enable you to lose money or wipe out your account really quick if you over leverage or use too much money at once to place your trades. Now, there are 3 different lot sizes which we want to put in perspective. Micro lot is the smallest of them all. This is 10 cents per pip, and 1 pip would be equivalent to like a percentage, like 1% on your money, right? So each time the market moves up like 1 unit or 1%, you would earn one cent when you place an order, using a micro lot, and a micro lot would be selecting the option of 0.01, right? One micro lot is 10 cents per pip. So that means that if you made 100 pips, that would be 100 times 0.1, you'd have earned $10. So I usually use a benchmark of 100 to get an idea of what fraction of my account I'm using. So in this case, $10 of 100 would be 10%, which is not bad. You're not overexposing yourself, like using $50 or $80 out of 100. That would be very risky. For one mini lot, the amount for one percentage or one pip would be $1 per pip. So on 100 pips, you'd have made 100 times one, which would be $100. So 100 out of $1,000 would be 10%, which is relatively okay. But I would even recommend using like half of this, like about 0.05, which would be about 50 cents per pip. And that would translate to about using $50 out of a thousand, sorry, right? So that would give you a lot of room to ride out volatility and also give you the ability to earn money on top of your $1,000. And for a standard lot, that's $10 per pip. $10 times 100 would be 1,000. That would be 1,000 out of 10,000, which would be 10%, and so on. So three most important lot sizes to remember: one micro lot, 10 cents per pip; one mini lot, $1 per pip; one standard lot, $10 per pip. All right. So who are we? We are partners of Epic Trading, exceptional people, incredible compensation. And there are two types of income stream with Epic. One, we have trading, mastering the art of Forex and crypto trading. And we do daily marking up of the charts. We do daily live sessions where persons are able to ask questions. We have one-on-one training with 6, 7, and 8-figure income earners, mentors in the Forex trading market who have been trading for more than 15 to 20 years. There's also the team building side to the business where we introduce new Forex traders into the business, and we earn a residual weekly income by our referrals. And this part of the business is very powerful because, you know, as a team united, we stand, and in numbers, we are a force to be reckoned with. And it also enables you to earn a substantial amount of money while you're learning. With the team building side, you can earn up to $1 million per month. And it is pretty straightforward. It's pretty easy to do with our team, with the level of expertise and the help that we will provide. You guys will be sniper traders. And once you're getting good results, earning income to show others, then they will automatically be attracted. Plus, we have other tools and techniques. We'll teach you the tricks of mastering Instagram marketing, Google search engine optimization, paid advertisement, and all those techniques where you don't have to necessarily seek persons. Persons will automatically come to you on autopilot and be interested in joining your team. So with that being said, basically when you get started, your first aim is to sign up 3 persons. And these are 3 traders who you would bring into the business with your epic results, showing them the weekly income that you've been earning from your trading expertise. We have very powerful techniques that enable you to use a small fraction of your account and hold positions to earn substantial amount of pips. So you can see consistent residual income every week, and there's a lot of hand holding and daily mentorship straight throughout the nights. We are on the calls on Zoom doing consistent marking up of the charts, making entry and exit decisions, and explaining to the team why, and enabling others to bring up currency pairs that they might be interested in and do analysis on all. So everybody is able to participate, is able to ask questions, and also you'll also learn how to build out on a team um, to generate residual income, which can also be used to add to your trading account and help to grow your income. So you're earning income from more than one sources. So the next level is Founder 600, where you sign up about 12 persons, and you'd earn 600 US dollars per month, or 150 per week. Then the level above that, you would have to sign up about 30 persons, which would earn you $1,000 per month, or 250 per week. And these numbers they're not dependent on one individual person. It's actually a team effort. And remember that the team will also assist you and give you strategies, ways in which we build our websites and do our online marketing through YouTube videos, Instagram marketing, etc., to get new traders involved. And also our results. We take pride strongly in our results to attract new traders into the business and grow a very strong team with a solid foundation of excellent results in terms of trading. So this gives you an overview of the entire compensation plan. As we said before, we looked at the level Founder 600. You'll be earning $600 per month, 150 per week. Founder 1,000, 250 per week, 1,000 per month. Residual 2,000, Founder 2,000, 500 per week, 2,000 per month. And this layer shows you the number of total persons in your downline and the breakdown in terms of the number of persons per leg. So basically, this is a unilevel plan where we're building down 3 legs, and in each leg, the requirement, for example, for a Founder 2000 rank would be 32 persons in one leg, 32 in the other, and 16 in the last leg. And that would qualify you for earning $2,000 per month. Now, we can even go further to the ambassador level, and the minimum ambassador would earn 10,000 US dollars per month. And what is required? You need to have at least 500 people in your downline. And that distribution should be 200 in one leg, 200 in the second, and 100 in the third. Then there's Founder Ambassador 50, 1K, 1K, and 500. And it goes all the way up to Epic rank, where you'd have a total team member of 75,000 with the distribution 30K, 30K, and 15K. And you would earn $1 million per month with private jet service, and also for each of the other major ranks. For example, Icon 100, you'd receive a Rolex watch. Icon 200, you'd get a brand new Mercedes, Tesla, or Cadillac. Icon 500, you'll earn 500,000 US dollars per month, and you'll be given a Lamborghini free interior. So all of these things, guys, you would be given. These aren't leased or rented. These will be given to you free and clear, fully paid for. And the private jet service is basically an ongoing chartered lease, um, where you will be able to travel anywhere across the world to do your presentations, or if you want to do vacation or leisure, the option is there for you to use your jet to go anywhere in the world that you desire. So overall, you guys can see that this is a very exciting plan. Now, if you're earning $1 million per month, or even 500K per month, 200K, then the possibilities are endless for you to also fund your live trading account as well and keep compounding. So you'll be earning interest on your money in more than one ways. You'll be earning residual income from your effort and your team's effort, as well as the successful trading skills that you'll be learning from us. Um, I myself have been trading for 14 years and I've mastered the art. I have very strong skill set in price action and determining support and resistance levels. And also I'm excellent at fundamental analysis to determine long-term trend. And I do daily coaching with the team to master these skill set and to also help you to build out your team so you'll be earning income in multiple streams. So if you're ready to get serious results, if you're ready for excellence in performance, if you're ready for hard work, dedication, passion, if you have a burning desire for the highest level of success, then reach out to us at chairmanquest.com. This is Kevin Richards, and I'd like to thank you for stopping by and listening to this presentation.